Take a ride in the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.